Hi, man and sir. Good morning. My name is Rowena Puntanguena. I am 43 years old. I am married, but I don't have kids. I live in Binamor, Magsingal, Ilocos. I have one sister and two brothers, my father and my mother. So I have experience in Singapore before in one employer in 5 years. So that employer is Malay Australian. They have a four family, two kids, mom and sir. The kid is 7 and 9 years old. In the morning, I need to wake up at 6:30 because I need to prepare the lunch and snack for the kids and bring from the school. After that, I'm going to sending the kids from the school and I'm go back to the house and starting my duties like ironing, cooking, cleaning, marketing. As well, I can cook also Chinese food and Western food, and also I follow recipes. Thank you.